If you want to use circle to search on Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the navigation bar. If you use gestures for navigation, you just have to press and hold your finger on it for like 2 seconds. And if you use the button navigation instead, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button for a couple of seconds. Once you activate this circle to search overlay, you can now draw a shape around a subject that you want to search for in Google. So this area is the reference, and as you can see here, we have Google search results. You can still adjust the selected area if you want to. You can tap on a subject as well. Instead of drawing a shape, you can tap on a text as well in order to try to find something that is related to that text. As you can see, you can just simply search that term, for example, and so on and so forth. But besides that, what you can also do with circle to search is you can use the search song feature. So we can use this option to recognize the music that is being played somewhere in the background in order to get the song title, for example. And also we have the screen translation, so we can use this translation button in here in order to simply translate the screen from one language to another. In case the detected language is incorrect, you can of course change it. We can switch the target language as well, and there we go. This is how it looks like. Over here we can also enable the scrolling option as well, so you can actually translate the screen as you scroll down as well. Now, in case you cannot activate circle to search by pressing and holding the navigation bar on the home or the home button, then of course we can go to settings. Then over here we're gonna go to display, and then we're gonna scroll down in here to find the navigation bar. And then in here we have circle to search, so we can turn it on or turn it off. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.